Want to learn how to add members to WhatsApp group? WhatsApp group chat functions allow users to exchange photos, videos, and information with family, friends, and others. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add members to WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp and tap on group that is already been created. Then you will see 3 vertical dots on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now tap in Group Info. You will see Add on the third icon. Tap on it. Now select the participant you want to add. Then tap on check mark that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. These simple steps will show you how to add members to WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.